So progress, when I say we want to progress in English, correct? The game changer is vocabulary. It is very important for you to understand vocabulary and to make use of new words. So we are going to progress by learning some vocabulary words. That is nothing but the picture that I will show you. This picture says that a boy is thinking something. We use it very often in our conversations. I think, you think, we think, correct? So rather than using think, you're going to replace it with a word called ponder. Think is nothing but ponder. I think about the topic, I ponder about the topic. So think is nothing but to ponder. Next, this shows a magnifying glass. And what does a magnifying glass do? It expands the things, correct? So if you want to say that I looked at only the good things in a person, you are going to use a word called I magnify good things in others. I magnify positivity. I magnify good thoughts. That is, you see it in a larger way so that only good things are highlighted. So expand is nothing but to magnify. This picture shows of an animal who is a bear. Bears are famous for being very lazy. Lazy is something that we use in our everyday conversations. In place of lazy, you're going to make use of two words, whatever you find it easy. Either you can say indolent or you can say lethargic. Indolent, and then it is lethargic. Next, if you are afraid, correct? If you are afraid, from today, you will not say that you are afraid. You will say you are terrified. Terrified. So afraid is nothing but terrified. Next, this place looks very crowded. बहुत सारी भीड़ है यहाँ पे, correct? Even when you visit maybe a railway station, a mall during weekends, places around marketplaces during festivals, you see that the place is very crowded. So crowded is a very common term. From today, we are not going to make use of the term crowded. We are going to replace it with a word called bustling. Bustling, T is silent in the word, in the pronunciation, bustling. That means it is crowded. Next, this picture shows that someone is angry. Angry is a very common term. So from today, we are not going to make use of the term angry. We are going to replace it with a word called furious. Furious is nothing but you are angry. Next is clean. If you like to keep everyone, not if, everyone likes to keep everything clean, tidy, neat. So clean is used in so many years. We are going to replace it with a new word called spotless. Clean is nothing but spotless. My room is spotless, that is clean. The area near my society is spotless, means it is clean. My office is spotless, my office is clean. So clean is nothing but spotless. Okay, so these were the vocabulary words that we have learned. And this vocabulary is going to help us enhance our pronunciations and also enhance our language, because that is going to be very, very impressive and we will be very happy